Okay, here's the AtlasUSA buttonhole machine, AT783. This machine can do all sizes of button you want, up to 1.5 inches. And right now we demonstrate the machine. This machine have also 2 speed. For a simple room, you're gonna push that to do a small speed and a high speed the other way. And right now we're gonna demonstrate the machine to you. It sounds very quiet, very nice, and go ahead for it. This is a high speed. Now we're gonna go on a slow speed and you take a look. This is for sample making, so you can go slowly as any size. You can change your size of your stitches by numbers, as you see over here. We're going to go to a high speed again. Very quiet, very smooth, very nice. Slow speed. Okay, as you see over here, when I turn this up, just like that, it's a high speed. Thank you very, very much. From Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company, www.atlaslevy.com.